Welcome you all. Uh, in the previous part of the basic operations on signals, we saw a time shifting operation and time reversal operation. In this, we'll straight away start with the problems on this time shifting and time reversal. As you can see here, sketch the following signal if you have been asked to sketch u of minus t plus 1. Okay. By looking at the question, you can say both the time shifting and time scaling has to be applied on this signal to find out how it will be looking. Okay, so what will be the answer will be a signal x of t can be obtained. X of t here is u of minus t plus 1. Okay, can be obtained by folding u of t, because there is a u of t here. That u of t is nothing but steps function about t is equal to 0 and shifting signal right by 1 unit. Okay, so what we have to find out, if you want to find out the solution for this, what we need to do, we need to shift the signal by 1 unit and we need to fold the u of t signal by 0. Okay, that's what it is been asked here. Okay, कैसे ये कर लेते हैं हम, we will go step by step. So in the first step, what we need to do, first draw the unit step signal, because question involves u of t here. So u of t को आपको पहले draw करना है. So u of t can be drawn here. It starts at 0 and goes to infinite, and it will have the unity amplitude, that is 1 here. So this is u of t step function elementary signal. Okay, in the second step, what we will be doing, a time shifting of u of t by 1 unit. Okay, so why we are going for time shifting first? Because it is having a highest priority, as it has been declared to you, discussed to you already in the previous lecture. So time shifting has the highest priority among the all the basic operations. Okay, so whatever the u of t is there, that we have to shift by 1 unit, as you can see here. तो यहाँ पे प्लस है. ओके, सो व्हाट इट इंडिकेट्स, प्लस मीन्स advancing in the signal. It means we will be shifting it to the left side. Okay, so that also it has been discussed to you in the previous lecture. Okay, so you can see here in this step 2, what we are doing, whatever the signal which is there started at 0 with amplitude 1 goes to infinite, now it will be starting from minus 1. Okay, so how we need to understand this one, by putting u of t plus 1, t plus 1 को हम 0 ले लेते हैं, t will become minus 1. So it states that at minus 1 your signal starts and it goes to infinite. Okay, and then what is the step 3? Step 3 is fold the signal about t is equal to 0. What does it means? It means now apply the time reversal, which is u of minus t plus 1. Okay, so time reversal on this is nothing but whatever the values of t which are there in the signal, now it will be negated. Okay, so यहाँ पे minus 1 से शुरू होके, so it exists from minus 1 to infinite, right, in the previous signal. Now it should be starting from plus 1 and it should be existing towards minus infinity. Okay, so please understand here. So your original signal, because you are applying time reversal on this signal, time reversal on this signal, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, so minus 1 से शुरू होके it is going to plus infinite. Okay, now negate all the values of t. तो इसके सबसे क्या होगा, माइनस 1 के बदले प्लस 1 पे शुरू होगा, 0 के बदले 0 ही होगा. अगर यहाँ पे 1 पे कुछ कंसिडर करेंगे तो 1 का बदले वो माइनस 1 पे रहेगा. लाइक दैट ये प्लस इन्फिनिटी के बदले माइनस इन्फिनिटी एग्जिस्ट होगा. सो दैट्स वाई a folded signal or a time reversal of u of t plus 1 will be looking like this, and that is the answer for this equation. Okay, whatever the problem it has been given to you, u of minus t plus 1, after sketching, so it will be looking like this. This is how you should understand. So एक बार हम रोल्स फिर से देख लेते हैं यहाँ पे. To perform the operation on composite signal or you can say a complex signal, उस पर हम क्या करते हैं, composite signals are nothing but it involves multiple operations to be performed. Okay, तो क्या क्या है, very highest priority is given to the shifting operation, as I said. Okay, so whenever that equation involves time shifting, so it involves highest priority, and the lowest priority will be among the time reversal and स्केलिंग, स्केलिंग हम नेक्स्ट पार्ट पे देख लेते हैं. ओके, देन there is this point is also important. Usually, okay, whenever we need to perform these different operations on signals, usually these operations are performed from right to left, from right to left on the signal. Okay, तो यहाँ पे चेक कर सकते हो, पहले हमने t plus 1 को किया, that is shifting property किया because it is right, and then we solve for time reversal, that is minus यहाँ पे. So whatever the operations that comes to the right first will be performed and then to the left usually. Okay, so it's not a mandatory rule, because if it involves highest priority, and that has to be first. Okay, that has to be first. So I will take one more example here related to the discrete time signal. Okay, so you can see here x of minus n minus 3. Okay, please understand this one, x of minus n minus 3. And what is this x of n given to you? X of n is here, x of n, it starts at 0 to n, and what are the values it exists? At 1 it is 1, at 2 it is minus 1, at 3 it is 1, at 4 it is minus 2. So that is a x of n given to you. So now what they are asking you to do, they are asking you to calculate minus n minus 3, x of minus n minus 3. So by looking at this problem, what will be the first operations, what will be the step 1? So step 1 will be performing the time shifting on x of n. Okay, time shifting कितना होना यूनिट होना चाहिए, 3 यूनिट होना चाहिए, and that too what we will be concluding, we will be calculating n minus 3. Okay, so minus 3 के हिसाब से क्या करना है हमें, it is the delaying the signal and we need to shift it to the right side. Okay, so यहाँ पे स्टेप के हिसाब से मैंने लिखा है, step 1 is equal to perform shifting x of n minus 3. So x of n minus 3, whatever the x of n is there, that signal has to be shifted to the right side by the unit 3, because it involves minus here, that indicates delaying the signal. Okay, so how it will be looking, so x of n minus 3, it's whatever the values of n it exists in the original signal, now all of that values will be shifted to 3 units. So 0 पे कुछ नहीं है, 0 plus 3, at 3 we will have 0 only, at 1 we have a signal with amplitude 1, now plus 3 कर दिया तो ये 4 हो जाएगा, 4, at 4 we will be having 1, at 2 plus 3 it is 5, at 5 we will be having minus 1, 3 plus 3 it is 6, at 6 we will be having 1, and at 4 we will be 4 we had minus 2, so उसके हिसाब से यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, at 7 you will be having minus 2. So this is the time shifted signal, that is x of n minus 3. After step 1, what is the second step you will be doing, यहाँ पे माइनस है तो उसके हिसाब से वॉट एवर दिस सिग्नल इज देयर उसको टाइम रिवर्सल अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो इफ यू अप्लाई द टाइम रिवर्सल, दैट इज स्टेप 2. नाउ टाइम रिवर्सल ऑन वॉट एवर दिस सिग्नल इज देयर, सो दैट एक्स ऑफ n माइनस 3 पे टाइम रिवर्सल कर दिया तो वी कैन जनरेट एक्स ऑफ माइनस n माइनस 3. ओके, तो उसके हिसाब से हमें क्या करना है, वॉट एवर द वैल्यूज ऑफ n इट वॉज एग्जिस्ट इन द ओरिजिनल सिग्नल उसको सारे नेगेट करना है, बट देर विल नॉट बी चेंज इन द एम्पलीट्यूड. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड हियर द टाइम रिवर्सल इज ओनली चेंजेस द वैल्यूज ऑफ द टाइम. ओके, तो यहाँ पे इंडेक्सिंग वैल्यूज ऑफ n का चेंज होगा, दैट इज प्लस के बदले माइनस होगा, माइनस के बदले प्लस होगा, बट उसका एम्पलीट्यूड जो भी है दैट विल रिमेन सेम. ओके, सो यू कैन सी हियर at n यहाँ पे भी n आएगा, then whatever the values it was there, the starting value is 4 here, plus 4 पे हमें 1 है तो यहाँ पे minus 4 पे 1 मिलेगा. at 5 we had minus 1, at minus 5 we will have minus 1, 6 1 यहाँ पे minus 6 पे, और यहाँ पे 7 पे है तो यहाँ पे minus 7 पे minus 2 आएगा. so this is the output, this is the solution for the given problem. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. Okay, now it is the third property, third operation on the signal, that is time scaling. Okay, so as you can see, a time scaling on the signal x of t can be accomplished by finding either of the x of t time scale signal. Okay, so time scaling of the x of t can be accomplished by finding either of the below cases. What are those below cases? For x of t, time scale signal could be x of at, okay, x of at, this is one signal, and the other time scale signal could be x of t by a. So these are the two cases, that is the time scaling operation on given x of t. Okay, so what does it indicates here? One, it may say that it is compressed the signal, so we are going to compress the signal. The other, t by a, which will be an expanded or enlarging of the signal. Okay, so what exactly they mean, we will see with the example, then it will be very clear to you. Okay, consider this x of t signal given here, x of t signal. So x of t signal, what it shows here in this diagram, so you can see it starts at -1 and it ends at 2, okay, with amplitude 1. This is x of t, given x of t. Now if you are supposed to find out the time scaled version of this, so what is the time scaled version? We will see both the cases here, that is by taking one example for each. Okay, it is something like finding x of at or x of t by a. Okay, so they used to say that it is compressing the signal or expansion of the signal. तो वो कैसे होगा वो हम एग्जाम्पल के साथ हमें विल अंडरस्टैंड इट. ओके, सो पहले हम सीख लेते हैं व्हाट. सो इफ वी आर सपोज टू कैलकुलेट x of 2t, okay, that is in terms of at form. Okay, तो क्या करना है हमें, let y of t is equal to x of 2t. Okay, so that's what we need to find out. Okay, now start substituting the different values of t here, so that what will be the values of y of t. Okay, so suppose at t equal to 0, we will be finding y of 0. Y of 0 will be x of 0 only, and t equal to 1, it is y of 1 will be x of 2 into 1, that is 2. then t equal to 2 पे y of 2 पे क्या होगा, x of 4, and t is -1 पे y of -1 पे क्या होगा, x of -2, and similarly at t is equal to -0.5, y of -0.5 is equal to x of -1. So how these values has to be taken? By looking at the values of t, whatever it exists in the original signal. Okay, so it is having values from -1 to 2, no, so that's the combinations we need to do. And apart from that, we need to find out what will be the values of -1 here. x of -1 मुझे चाहिए यहाँ पे, उसके हिसाब से y का वैल्यू क्या होना चाहिए, -0.5. ऐसा ये अंडरस्टूड करके these values हमने assume करके लिया है. This we call it as brute force technique, like simply checking for all the values here. Okay, then उसके हिसाब से हम अगर ड्रॉ करेंगे, okay, so y of t if we draw according to the values whatever we are getting here, so x of 0 value will be what, whatever x of 0 it is 1, so y of 0 भी 1 ही आएगा. okay, y of 1 पे क्या आएगा, x of 2 आएगा. x of 2 का वैल्यू क्या है, 1 है, so y of 1 पे वही आएगा. y of 2 is equal to x of 4, x of 4 is 0, y of 2 will become 0 only. y of -1 क्या आएगा, x of -2, x of -2 क्या है, यहाँ पे 0 है, so nothing is there, so relatively y of -1 will also be 0. y of -0.5 क्या होगा, that will be x of -1, x of -1 का वैल्यू क्या है यहाँ पे, it is 1, so it is 1 here for y of 0.05. तो उसके हिसाब से आपका सिग्नल कहाँ से कहाँ एग्जिस्ट होगा, -0.5 to 1. Please understand this one, your y of t, that is x of 2t, will start from -0.5 and ends at 1. So beyond these values your y of t values are 0. And what about the amplitude? Amplitude will be same like whatever it is been given in the x of t. Okay, so based on this, what is your observation in the case 1? Observation क्या है हमारा, while finding x of 2t of x of t, that is finding y of t, that is x of 2t, क्या हुआ, the time values are reduced by the value of a. तो whatever the values of time were there in this original signal, उसका वैल्यू reduce हो गया, that is divided by हो गया उतना जितना value of a है. okay, तो in this case x of 2t है, a का वैल्यू 2 है, तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, हर वैल्यूज एवरी वैल्यूज ऑफ t का हमें डिवाइड बाय 2 करना है. तो -1/2 का मतलब क्या हुआ यहाँ पे -0.5 हो गया, 2 का बदले क्या हो गया, ये 1 हो गया. सो दैट इज व्हाट वी हैव द ओरिजिनल सिग्नल से ये सिग्नल कैसे हो गया, दिस इज बीन compressed. Please understand this one, it is been compressed. So this is the compressed signal. So for a compression, whatever the signal compression we need to do, उसका टाइम स्केलिंग ऐसा करना है, कैसे, x of at फॉर्म में करना है. So we will take one more case, that is the second case. If it is been asked you to calculate x of t by 2, okay, तो t/2 के हिसाब से कुछ वैल्यूज हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे यहाँ पे. So t equal to 0 पे y of 0 equal to x of 0 only. For t equal to 1, y of 1 we will be calculating, that time it is x of 0.5, y of 2 will be x of 1. Similarly for t equal to 4, it is y of 4 which is equal to x of 2, and t equal to -1 के लिए we will be finding y of -1, that is x of -0.5, and for t is equal to -2, that is we will be finding y of -2, उसका वैल्यू x of -1 से होगा. ओके, सो करस्पॉन्डिंग ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ y of t कैसे रहेगा. सो वेर एवर दीज सिग्नल्स आर देयर, लाइक यहाँ पे आप चेक कर सकते हो different values of x of t, that is again we need to consider all the values which involves x variations, like x is varied in the original signal from -1 to 2, no, so all the signals values are has to be here, so it is varied from -1 to 2, so corresponding y of t we will be finding. So from -1 to 2 variations यहाँ पे सारे cases हमने consider किया है, उसका मतलब corresponding y of t we have calculated with a relative independent variable value. Okay, तो उसको हम ड्रॉ करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, सो यू कैन सी हियर y of -2 is nothing but x of -1, so x of -1 पे 1 है तो y of -2 पे 1 आएगा. and similarly at 0 what we will be having, same y of 0 only, so at 0 we will be having 1 only. and x of t at y equal to 1 क्या आएगा, y equal to 1 क्या आएगा, so it is x of 0.5, 0.5 पे भी हमारा ये सिग्नल 1 ही है, तो उसके हिसाब से यहाँ पे भी 1 ही आएगा. सो विल बी लुकिंग फॉर x of 2 कहाँ पे होगा, y of 4 पे होगा. ओके, सो y of 4 पे x of 2 वैल्यू आएगा, x of 2 वैल्यू इज 1 हियर, सो y of 4 तक आएगा. उसके अलावा कोई वैल्यूज हमने कंसिडर कर दिया होगा. सपोज इफ यू आर कैलकुलेटिंग व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ y of 6, दैट इज फॉर t इज इक्वल टू 6, सो विल बी कैलकुलेटिंग y of 6, so that time what will be the value, it is just x of 3, so x of 3 क्या है, वैल्यू 0 है, तो इसके हिसाब से any values beyond this range it is 0. so now observe the whatever the y of t graphical value we are getting here, so it starts at -2 and ends at 4. okay, तो इसके हिसाब से आपको पता चल रहा है the whatever the x of t is there, now it is been expanded. okay, so इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, the cases while finding the x of t by 2 of x of t, what we have done, the time values in x of t by 2 are doubled with respect to this, because it is divided by 2 here, that's why it is doubled. so with respect to x of t what it will be, it will be a, तो एक से के हिसाब से वो मल्टीप्लाई होगा, तो मल्टीप्लाई वट एवर द ये वैल्यू ईयर. ओके, सो दैट इज -1 के बदले ये 2 होगा, राइट, यहाँ पे 2 के बदले ये 4 होगा, इट इज बिन डबल्ड. ओके, सो उसके हिसाब से आपको ये पता चलेगा वट एवर द y of t वी हैव ड्रॉन, दैट इज x of t by 2, इट इज द एक्सपेंडेड वर्जन ऑफ x of t, एक्सपेंडेड वर्जन. ओके, सो दैट इज द टाइम स्केलिंग. ओके, सो टाइम स्केलिंग पे हम कंप्रेस द सिग्नल करते हैं, नहीं तो एक्सपेंड कर लेते हैं. सो व्हाट इज द कंप्रेशन एंड एक्सपेंशन वैल्यूज कितना होगा, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द वैल्यू ऑफ a. ओके, दैट्स इट अबाउट द टाइम स्केलिंग प्रॉपर्टी. ओके.